Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn something new like animal and their homes. Animal and their homes in subject EVS. So let's start. Let us see where the animals live. So look at here. First, bird. Have you seen ever where do birds live? Have you ever seen where do birds live? Yes, you can see birds live in nest. Birds live in nest. Next, lion. Which animal is this? This is lion. Have you ever seen where do lion live? Have you ever seen where do lion live? Yes, lion live in den. Lion live in den. Next, which animal is this? Which animal is this? Yes, this is rabbit. Have you ever seen where do rabbit live? Have you ever seen where do rabbit live? Yes, rabbit live in burrow. Rabbit live in burrow. Next, which animal is this? Which animal is this? Yes, this is snake. This is snake. And have you ever seen where do snake live? Have you ever seen where do snake live? Yes, snake live in hole. Snake live in hole. Next, ant. Look at here. These all are ant. Have you ever seen where do ant live? Have you ever seen where do ant live? Yes, ant live in anthill. Ant live in anthill. Next, which animal is this? Yes, you all are know this is monkey. This is monkey. And have you ever seen where do monkey live? Have you ever seen where do monkey live? Yes, monkey live on a tree. Monkey live on a tree. Next, which animal is this? Which animal is this? Yes, this is also you all are know and seen because this is donkey. This is donkey. And have you ever seen where do this is dog. This is dog. And have you ever seen where do dog live? Have you ever seen where do dog live? So, yes, dog live in kennel. Dog live in kennel. Next, which animal is this? Which animal is this? Yes, this is pig. And have you ever seen where do pig live? Have you ever seen where do pig live? Yes, pig live in sty. Pig live in sty. Next, which animal is this? Which animal is this? Yes, this is horse. This is horse. And have you ever seen where do horse live? Have you ever seen where do horse live? So, horse live in stable. Horse live in stable. Next. Hen. Which animal is this? This is hen. And have you ever seen where do hen live? Have you ever seen where do hen live? Yes, hen live in coop. Have live in coop. Which animal is this? Yes, you all are know this is cow. This is cow. And have you ever seen where do cow live? Have you ever seen where do cow live? So, yes, we all are know cow live in shed. Cow live in shed. Next. Which bird is this? Which insect is this? This is bees. Honeybees. And have you ever seen where do lives bees? Have you ever seen where do live bees? So, yes, we have seen a bees lives in hive. Bees lives in hive. So, let's repeat again. Birds live in nest. Bird live in nest. Lion live in den. Lion live in den. A rabbit live in burrow. A rabbit live in burrow. A snake live in hole. A snake live in hole. An ant live in anthill. An ant live in anthill. A monkey live in tree. A monkey live on tree. A monkey live on the tree. A dog live in kennel. A dog live in kennel. A pig live in sty. A pig live in sty. A horse live in stable. A horse live in stable. A hen live in coop. A hen live in coop. A cow live in shed. A cow live under the shed. A bees live in hive. A bees live in hive. Now, here one activity is given. We have to solve this. 4 animals are given here and we have to find their house. So, first is dog and second horse, hen and pig. Here 4 house also given. 4 house also given. We have to find their house. Which house is this? Yes, this is kennel. And which animal live in kennel? Which animal live in kennel? So look at here. Dog. Dog live in kennel. So we find their way to go home. So this is dog house. Dog live in kennel. Next, horse. horse. Which is this house? Horse live in stable. Horse live in stable. So this is stable. So we have to help the horse find their way home. Next, hen. And which house is this? Which house is this? Yes, this is coop. Look at here. This is coop. And hen live in coop. Hen live in coop. So we have to help to find the hen find their home. We have to help the hen find their home. Next, pig. And which house is this? Which house is this? Yes, this is sty. This is sty. And pig live in the sty. So we help to the pig find their way home. Okay? So I hope you all are understand. Today we are learn animal and their homes.